So for the next 2 Mastery Mondays, we're going to be focusing on bunker shots. The standard bunker shot, you're going to want to use a high lofted wedge. So I have a 60 degree, but if you have a sand wedge or 54 degree, 56 degree also works, that's going to be perfect. One of those two clubs just has to be a high lofted wedge. For a standard bunker shot, we don't have a high lip to go over, and we're going to a pin that is generally not right next to the bunker where we're hitting at. We want it to be a little bit away from the bunker. The most important thing that you have to remember when you're hitting a standard bunker shot is you have to hit the sand first. I know with a standard golf shot, you're wanting to make contact with the ball right before you hit the ground. When you're hitting a bunker shot, you have to take the sand. If you watch on TV and in slow-mo, the ball is never actually getting hit by the golf club. It's getting lifted out of the bunker by the sand. So we have to make sure we make contact with the sand first. There's a really good drill that I like to do a lot with students when we're learning how to hit bunkers. For the drill, all you have to do is find a bunker and draw a square in the sand. You're going to draw a square in the sand. You don't even need a golf ball. You're going to draw just a box, square in the sand, and what we're going to work on is every single swing we take is just taking sand out of the bunker. We want that box to disappear from the bunker. So I have the box drawn, and I'm just going to take a nice easy swing and make sure I take sand with it. I'm going to put a close-up in the video so you guys can see it from a closer angle so you can actually see that box disappear. Once you get really good at hitting that box out of the sand, we're going to start using the golf ball. If you'd like, you can place the golf ball and make the box around it so you can still keep working on that drill. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the golf ball without the box around it. So same thing, what I'm going to do is just have a standard stance, have the ball in the middle of my stance, and then I'm going to keep the club face square through the whole motion. All right? Make sure you take that sand with you. I'm going to actually make a close-up video in slow-mo so you can watch the golf ball get lifted out of the bunker with the sand, not the club. Thanks for coming along for this week's Mastery Monday. Next week, we're going to talk about a couple different styles of bunker shots and tell you how to decide which one to hit during your golf round.